subtitled The Greatest Hits Live. And sometimes it's quite nice to remember how you came up with these greatest hits. Now the next song started off when Chris and I and a friend were on a holiday in the 80s in the Caribbean. We were staying in a very cheap little hotel in the middle of nowhere on the sea. And every night after dinner, we had nothing to do but play dominoes. And every night, a friend who was with us beat us both at dominoes and did a very annoying dance around the table. And we called it Domino Dance. Maybe, I don't know, 10 years ago, Chris and I were in Austin, Texas to play a gig. And walking down the street towards us comes a cowboy, full gear, cowboy hat, boots, the whole thing. And to our astonishment he says, "Are you guys the Pet Shop Boys?" We said, "Yeah, we're doing a gig here." "What are you doing here?" And he said, "Oh, me. I'm here on monkey business, just playing around."